Hey guys, another day, another group of people leaving mean comments on my videos, reading mean comments video. I can probably make these videos for like the rest of my life. Hold on, I need to put something on my lips. I'm looking for the lip color I wore at my wedding. It is Bare Minerals. Where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Called Infamous. Infamous. Some people would say that I am infamous, right? Who's this? Kat, cool. Kat Von D, Miss Anti-Vax herself. Yeah. All right, here we go. We're gonna read mean comment.
You are a troublemaker.
I am. Am I? I'm not like starting shit myself. That's what a lot of people get confused, I think. I'm not the one that started all of this. I'm just reporting on it. Power tools. Guys, I'm so excited to have a big front porch, a big, huge farmer's front porch. I'm so excited. You better not watch the news because the news starts trouble too, right? Because they're reporting on things that have happened. So yeah, they're troublemakers too. Right? Yeah. Next comment.
Black. You are trashy, making money off others' pain and misfortune.
Okay, misfortune means bad luck. I'm not profiting off her bad luck. I'm profiting off her fucking decisions, horrible decisions that she's made. In her pain, it's not like her puppy died and I'm making videos about that and making money off it. Like, no. Her pain caused by her own actions, by her actions that she knew were wrong, or maybe, I don't know, maybe she still doesn't think she did anything wrong and I don't know. I gotta read you guys this. Hold on, this is going off. I gotta read you guys this comment that I got. I'm sorry if I bump into you by accident, or I'm sorry if I accidentally step on your shoes. I'm not sorry if I deliberately fuck people over and get caught. I'm only sorry that I got caught and called out and need to come back to the community to make money again. There's a difference. Absolutely. Absolutely. I agree with that 1,000,000%. It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake when it happens over and over and over again. It's a purpose. You're doing shit on purpose. You're knowingly doing bad things. It's not a mistake. One time, okay, yep, you fucked up. It's a mistake. But when you continue to do it over and over again, it's not a mistake. You're doing it on purpose. Next comment.
Ugh, your face.
I'd say the same to you, but you have a dog as your profile picture, so I'm sure you're beautiful and perfect in every way. Next comment.
The only reason you make mean comments videos is because you can't handle criticism.
No, that's not the reason why I make these videos. The reason why I make these videos is one, to have a laugh, and two, why not make money off people that are trying to hurt and insult me and bully me? Why not? It's not because I can't handle it. I've been on YouTube for 12 friggin' years. I can handle it. 99% of the time, I laugh. I will admit, though, there are like sometimes where comments get to me and I'm just like, fuck you. Or the comments that mention my kids and my parenting. None of you guys know how I am as a parent. None of you guys know. None of you. I mean, there might be some of my friends and family watching this and you guys know how I parent, but majority of you guys don't know how I parent. So to say shit about my kids and my parenting, like you don't know. You don't know. Next comment. Okay, we'll save the best for last.
You have a nanny that does everything for you. There's nothing impressive about you.
Okay, first off, I had a nanny for 3.5 months for the summer, basically. She has now gone back to school. I don't have a nanny anymore. She did not do everything for me. Like, no. She did help me with things, yes, but she didn't do everything for me. Like, no, not even close. You guys ready for this last comment?
Hey, I'm a scientist by profession who resells for fun and watches YouTube vids to get info about brands and whatnot. And I must say, even before this weird manufactured drama, I always got such a trashy vibe from you specifically and that wannabe rock star little man big mouth dude that you reference. Like, I have learned so much from others on this platform with much gratitude. But when I would see your, what's the word? Like stanky face preview shot, I would just scroll past. The few seconds of a few things I watched were just so unhelpful and trashy is all I can think of to say. I never comment on anything, like ever, but damn girl, keep it classy. You have kids, like don't be a bully, trashy role model. Yikes. What is wrong with you?
First of all, I had a scientist, a real life scientist, comment on my YouTube video. I'm dropping shit. I'm so excited. A scientist. Like, whoa, 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 whoa. A scientist? Hold on. That doesn't even know how to spell role model correctly? Okay. All right. It's cool. You do it science. You don't know how to spell, okay? But honestly, though, do you think I'm going to, like, bow down to you because you're a scientist? Like, whoa, whoa. Unless you're fucking going to space and Mars and shit, I'm not impressed. Like, you don't know. As far as the other nonsense that you spewed, like, I'm trashy. Oh, yeah, I'm so trashy. I'm such a trash bag. I'm a trash bag. I have a trash bag right there. Should I just put it on because I'm so trashy? Why am I trashy? Because I say the word fuck. Is that why I'm trashy? As a scientist, you should know that there's like formulas and shit and components and atoms and molecules that make someone trashy, not just their foul mouth. And the few seconds that you watched of my videos were so unhelpful. See, shit like that, it's funny because like obviously not everyone's gonna like me, but the majority of people that watch my videos like me and they find my shit helpful. Like I have tons of people daily say, hey, you helped me do this, you helped me do that. So the fact that Miss Scientist, actually I don't even know if you're a guy or a girl, I don't know, because your profile picture is like a friggin' cartoon reading a book. And then you have to mention my kids. Like as soon as you mention my kids, it just automatically makes you a piece of shit because they have nothing to do with this. Nothing at all. So don't fucking talk about them. Like you want to see Mama Bear come out? It ain't gonna be pretty. I don't understand these people because they claim to hate me, but yet not all of them, but a lot of them watch everything that I do. Like my friggin' it's not even funny because this girl seriously needs help, but the girl that's been like making YouTube videos about me and like stalking me and harassing me, and she's like, oh, I can't wait to see you somewhere. I'm like, excuse me? Like, no, you don't talk like that. Like, no, that's not okay. Yeah, if you hate me so much, you wouldn't watch me. You wouldn't waste your time commenting. There's a thin ass motherfucking line between love and hate. That's it for this video. I hope you guys had a chuckle. Again, I get so many crazy comments and I like to turn around and laugh at them and just make content out of them. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.